Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Hi.
Hi.
So Ayan is going to tell us about propellers and jet engines. Ayan, please tell us.
Yes.
When did you go to Andaman?
By Air India.
Okay, and what was the jet engine used in Air India?
Within General Electric GENX. But it's not just Chinese General Electric GENX. It's CFM LEAP.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the jet engine that they use in Indigo?
Pratt and Whitney jet engines.
Okay, which is the one that they use in Jet Airways?
Which General Electric CF66.
Okay, which is the one that they use in KLM Dutch?
With General Electric CF6.
Okay, which is
KLM MDA11.
okay, which is the one that they use in Cathay Pacific?
Rolls-Royce RB-211.
Okay, which is the one that they use in Qatar Airlines?
General Electric CF66.
Which is the one that they use in Lufthansa?
Pratt & Whitney JD8D. It's Airbus A320.
Okay, which is the one that they use in Vistara?
Rolls-Royce Trent 700.
Which is the one that they use in
Saudia.
Which one?
Saudia A330.
Okay, which is the one that they use in Singapore Airlines?
Rolls-Royce Trent 800.
And Malaysian Airlines?
CFM. No. Other engines.
Okay, and which is the one that they use in any other airlines people know about? British
Airways or Delta Airlines.
Delta?
And Delta Airlines.
Yes, tell me about British Airways. Which one?
Rolls-Royce RB-211.
What about Delta Airlines?
Pratt & Whitney JD8D.
Okay, and Air France?
General Electric GE90.
Anybody knows any other name of the airlines?
And then
Lufthansa has told us. Yeah.
What?
Air Mauritius.
CFM 56.
Thank you so much, Ayan. Thank you.
Excellent.